In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Nvidia OpenGL driver detected a problem with the display driver and is unable to continue. First step is we want to search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type sfc /scan now and press enter. Once we've done this, it will start scanning and you just want to wait until it's at 100%. Once it's at 100, you should see if there's any issues. If there's no issues, you can just close it down. But while this is doing it, you can just minimize it. Then what we want to try is search for Device Manager. In here, find Display Adapters. Right click on your GPU, Properties, Driver. Now if you have the option to roll back driver, press on it and see if that one works. If it doesn't work, or if you don't have this one, then another thing we want to try is we want to right click here, update the driver. Make sure you have the latest driver installed right here. And then you want to make sure that you download your Nvidia app. So go to Google and search for Nvidia app and you should have this one. In here you want to head to drivers, check for updates and download the latest driver in here. Now once you've done this, another thing you want to do is right click on your desktop, open the Nvidia control panel. Just give it a few seconds to load. And once you're in here, you want to go to Manage 3D Settings. Let it load and come here and find Power Management Mode. You want to put this on Prefer Maximum Performance and then you can close it down. After you've done this, come here and search for Windows Update. Windows Update Settings. Take the latest update right here if you have one. And then after you've done all of this, you want to restart your PC. Now after you've done that, it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.